Hey everybody, Big Jim Country Boy here. Check out my new t-shirt. Displays my big giant hot dog I cooked over a campfire. Isn't that beautiful? I got a bunch of other shirts you can check out, coffee mugs and sweatshirts, hoodies and everything. I'll leave a link down in the description to the merch store. Until next time, Big Jim Country Boy, over and out. We're going to make some biscuits here. I rolled it out. It's not a big deal. And then we're going to cook them on the stovetop in this non-stick pot here. I'll put this on high for now. Get it hot. A couple more here quick. Okay, go ahead, chef. Finish what you were doing. Put them in the pan. Need to add just a little bit of butter in the bottom of this pan. Like this much. And then we're going to put the lid on. We're going to let that heat up a few minutes. Take a look at our biscuits. That butter's melting in there good. Turn this burner down on low. See if we can flip that over. Put that lid back on. Check them in a minute. Okay, at this point, we're going to add just a teaspoon of water. And then put the lid on quick. Let them cook a little longer. Take a look at these biscuits in the pot. Doing pretty good. They're firming up. Got them on low. A little bit more heat. Put them on about medium. That water left the vent hole. A couple drops. Give them a turn here, see how they look. Sometimes you don't want to use the oven. I just want to show you a different technique to make biscuits. Obviously my oven works, it's on. Got other things going on there. So they're doing pretty good. They're getting there. Brown the other side up a little longer. Check our biscuits here quick. Probably don't even need the spatula at this point. They're so done. Sorry. Hard to film and cook at the same time here. Turn the stove off. Okay, plate this up quick. Biscuits done perfectly. Some butter. The lid back on. delicious. Another way we can serve that, just cut that in half like that. Drizzle on some sausage gravy. There you have it. Bon appetit. Sausage and gravy biscuits on the stovetop by Big Jim Country Boy. Here we are, we're plating up our country fried pork chops. Some gravy on the potatoes. A nice country sausage gravy. Put some on that pork chop. Look at that, how crispy that is. Biscuit with butter and green beans. Look at that, y'all.